Hi everyone. In today's video, I will talk about different opportunities that a material scientist can have. It's a slightly different video than I have in the past, and in this, I just want to share with you a few opportunities which are currently available for the students who want to pursue their PhD or postdoc or even masters in the field of material science and engineering. And in this video, I will share with you the different websites that you can go through, and you can search the desired opportunity on the basis of your previous experience in your master's or bachelor's, and then you can go for that. First of all, here's the website. I will also give the link below in my video, and this is one of the, in my personal opinion, this is one of the best website that you can have, and it will give you a high range of different opportunities. You just have to write something like material science or whatever you want, and then you can apply, and you can see plenty of opportunities available over here. For example, PhD new materials and nanomaterials for optoelectronics, and there are plenty of different other opportunities as well. You can also search something like, instead of in general material science, you can also go ahead, like if you want to do in 3D printing, I want to do in batteries, I want to do in glasses or ceramics or in metals, whatever you have in your background or your interests, you can put it over here, and then you can search the desired field. For example, I have just found these opportunities, like these are the 15 PhDs that has been announced, one of the institute in Italy, and in this opportunity they will hire 15 students from all over the world, and they will do PhDs in different countries of the Europe, and these are basically 15 different PhD positions, and they will give funding for 3 years. These are basically the opportunities which are being funded by a Marie Curie scholarship, and this is one of the most prestigious scholarship in the world, and the people get an opportunity to work in 3 or 4 different countries, in different universities and research institutes across EU. You will have a very handsome salary, something like, it would be stated somewhere here like 40 to 50,000 per year. And I will also share the link of these opportunities as well, and you can see that all the different opportunities, like ESR1, like first opportunity, the second topic, third topic, and all of them, the details will be given here. The deadline and the required documents, all the details you will find over there in the page. For example, here the deadline is on 30th of October. It's a full-time opportunity, but it will be like temporary, only for 3 years, and you have to apply. All the details you will find over here. Similarly, beside this website, there are plenty of other websites. I will also share the link. For example, you can find your PhDs at nature.com. You have to write you want to do a PhD or postdoc, and in which area of the world, like UK, Germany, Holland, or Denmark. And then you can do further filter that in which field. It's not only about engineering or material science, it is basically for each and every discipline. You can further do filter, you are doing for postdoc, or you are doing for like PhD students, want to work as a director, or whatever your past experiences and whatever you want to do in future, you can put the further filters upon it. Beside this, here you can see another website which is called Find a PhD. This is mainly about UK, but it will also give you many other opportunities other than UK, but most of them are basically from UK, and you will find them over here. So all these opportunities that I have told, the websites are mainly for the PhD and postdoc students. However, similarly as of PhD, you can find a website for the masters as well, and it's like a findmasters.com. I will also put the link below the video in the description, and you can find your desired master program over here, and also it will give you the possibility to find out the different scholarships as well. Besides that, there would be there are some other websites like .e for Germany, and for the other countries as well, that I will also share in future, and I will like to discuss with you. So thanks for your time, and stay tuned.